I always make coffee before starting work. She sat by the window, slowly sipping her coffee. I need a cup of strong coffee to wake up in the morning. He prefers black coffee without sugar or milk. I don't have time to brew coffee, so I drink instant coffee. She switched to decaf coffee because caffeine made her anxious. Would you like a cup of coffee before we leave? Be careful, or you'll spill coffee on your laptop. Let's go for a coffee after work and catch up. We bought a new coffee machine for the office. She poured tea into my cup and handed it to me. You should let the tea brew for at least 5 minutes. I drink herbal tea to help me relax before bed. Green tea is full of antioxidants and has many health benefits. It's so hot today. Let's get an iced tea. Would you like a cup of tea with your breakfast? They brought a whole pot of tea to the table. Can you boil some water for pasta? I prefer still water over sparkling water. He ordered sparkling water with lemon. Is the tap water safe to drink here? I always carry a bottle of water when I go for a walk.